welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today's video is different. I am doing a redecorating video, so let's jump right in. So here I'm showing you my things to do dry erase board that I got from Home Goods. I believe it retailed for like maybe $7.99. I have to look it up for you and let you guys know. Here I'm just giving you an overview shot of the living room and the dining space, which I redecorated. As you can see in the before photo, everything I had in there was red. I know it was tragic, but now as you can see, it does look a lot better. So here in the dining space area, those candelabras I have there on the wall, they were originally red and I spray painted them silver. Those photos that I have over there on the wall, those came from Amazon, as well as these chair covers. What I love about these chair covers is you can take them off, of course, and wash them, so there's no need to go out and buy new chairs. You can get them from Amazon. They're like, I think it was like $5 for $40, so very inexpensive. And what I really enjoy about them is the feel of them. They're velvet, like you just can't even tell that I didn't go out and buy brand new chairs, and I really like that. This vase with the ornaments in it, I got it from the Goodwill, and then those ornaments I got from Amazon. So yeah, that is the dining space. So here in the living room area, the couches came from America's Signature Furniture. That purple throw there came from a store called Ollie's. I don't know if y'all have an Ollie's in your area, but you should check it out. It's a very inexpensive store. And here on my end table, these two little tea light candle holders came from Amazon, as well as the flower arrangement and the lamp. Here, my little plug-in here came from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it is a wax warmer, so you can just buy those little waxes and put over in it, and it just makes your apartment smell really good. I think I got like 3 of those all over the place. Those pillows on the couches, I actually put pillow covers over them. So the white pillows came with the couches, but the decorative pillows that I have there, I actually got those pillow covers from Amazon, as well as the curtain. My photos and my clock and my mirrors, I've originally got those from like Big Lots. I think I've had that for a while actually, so that was nothing new. But yeah, y'all, don't sleep on Amazon. So here my end table that I turned into a coffee table. So funny story about this. So that vase in the middle there, I got that from Amazon, but the 2 smaller vases came from the Dollar Tree, as well as those flower arrangements. So I just thought that was really funny how that matched up really well, and they came from 2 different places. But yeah, they're really cute. Don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. And my champagne flutes here, those were actually an anniversary gift from my grandmother. Yeah, today is our anniversary. And the rug there also came from Amazon. Here you can see my Eiffel Towers. As you can see, I'm obsessed with Paris. Those came from, I think, Joann's Fabric. They're actually like a wine cork holder. So how neat is that? And here, we're just focusing on the bookshelf area that I redecorated. All those picture frames came from the Dollar Tree. Once again, don't sleep on the Dollar Tree, y'all. So here in the middle section, everything up here on this shelf came from Amazon. That R is actually battery operated and it lights up. That flower arrangement and that little glass dish there, they came from Amazon, but that clear vase came from the Dollar Tree. Once again, here everything from the Dollar Tree, with the exception of the lamp, it came from Amazon. Funny thing about those lamps, when I got them, they were meant for my end tables, and I didn't realize how small they were until they got here. But it's so funny how it was able to fit on my bookshelf, so that just turned out good. Funny how those things work out. And here I'm just giving you another overview shot of everything. I think it turned out really good, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want you to make sure, if you are new here, you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you will know when I post. And remember, guys, to stay safe out there. We are in the middle of a pandemic. Health is wealth, and until next time, deuces.